New dispatch.
Truck 81, engine 81, engine 85, engine 83, engine 93, rescue 86, safety 2, battalion 8, battalion 9, residential structure 3308 Lair Way, 3308 Lair Way, across the Bear Ridge Way. RP advises there was a fire in the fireplace that's now caught the structure on fire. Residents have been advised to evacuate. Command Charlie 4, TAC Charlie 5, Command Charlie 4, TAC Charlie 5, secondary TAC Charlie 6. Units respond Charlie 5 for roll call. Comfort copies, battalion 8, battalion 9, roll call complete. All units responding Charlie 5. Any copy.
On fire, engine 85.
Engine 85.
85 is on scene. We have smoke coming from the roof of a 2-story house, Lair IC. 85 will have its own water.
Copy, engine 85 on scene advising smoke coming from the roof of a 2-story structure. Establishing Lair IC, engine 85 on water supply established.
Come on fire, Lair IC.
Lair IC.
Fireplace Fire on the first floor. We have some extension into a wall on the second floor. We're checking for extensions.
IC permanent water supply established.
IC copy.
IC, be advised we have solar. Utilities are secured. Primary complete on the second floor, working on the first floor.
Copy. Primary on the second, floor on the first.
IC engine 81.
Go ahead.
Primary search all clear on the first floor as well.
Copy. Primary on the first floor is fixed.
Fears all in the attic from Charlie's side. House is clear upstairs and downstairs at this point.
IC copy.
One from battalion 8. We're on the Charlie side, and it looks like the chimney is leaning. So I want you to sound really well. Copy that, Jay.
Lair IC, calm fire, 10 minutes on the timer.
Copy. 10 minutes. We're still trying to locate the fire. Still offensive.
Comfort copy.
93 have another company available if you need it. It's you and 81 now.
I think we're good so far. We got much more work to do. Thank you.
93, I'm sending you rescue 86.
Hi, Steve. Truck 81.
Go ahead.
We punched through. We have ignition from the roof. We're coming down now.
Copy. You have a ladder on the Charlie side as well. 93, you have an attic fire in the middle of the roof.
Copy, attic fire. We're going to
'93, I'm sending you rescue 86.
Hi, Steve. Hi. Truck 81.
Go ahead.
We have ignition from the roof. We're coming down.
Copy, you have a ladder on the Charlie side as well. 93, you have an attic fire.
Lair AC.
Truck 81's off the roof. Make this a working fire.
Engine 88, Investigator 80, District 1, respond as part of a working residential fire, 3308 Lair Way, upgraded to a working residential fire, 3308 Lair across of Oso Grande Way.
Gunfire safety 2.
Safety 2.
Red Cross needed for 2 adults and 1 dog. Number and name is in the notes. Go to safety 2.
Safety 2, Red Cross is not satisfied with our report, and they would like contact from somebody directly on scene. We're putting her number in the call.
Copy that. Yeah, she's still here in front of the house if they want to call her.
Confirm copies, and they want to speak with a direct first responder on scene.
Correct.
So they're going to want contact from you.
Can you put their number in the CAD and I'll give them a ring?
Hey, for my partner's typing it right now.
Gunfire battalion 8.
Battalion 8.
Turning over the Lair IC to Captain 85. I'm available, as is safety 2.